My name is Lionel and I live in Walnut Grove, and we got our heat pump in July 2004. The operation of the heat pump is very simple. The system is set up that the heat pump always turns on first. If the temperature is too low in winter, then the furnace would kick in. So I don't have to check that. Like, I don't have to listen to the heat pump and say, oh, it's not working now, so I better switch. It's done automatically. And we have a smart thermostat, which was installed at the same time as we had the heat pump. So I don't have to check anything, really. It's very, very smooth. It's easier than the furnace.